So, this is how it feels to be a royal in-law. This is called upgrade. You know me and you. We are now in the same level.
You're tasting the meat by putting your hand inside my food without respect.
I mean, they can just touch the food back. Why are you people kneeling down?
Because we didn't wash the plate from last night, she said we should kneel down.
Take the leg. Your eyes cannot swallow me. And if you talk to me anyhow, I scatter your face just now. This bone straight girl, did she report me to you? Because you know, if we want to start to report each other now, the palace will be on fire.
I want you to be my woman and I'll be your man.
Are those words meant for me?
Don't mind my age. I've got so much to offer.
Man! The matter is about the plantain porridge. Should I cook it well, half cook or full cook? Cook it inside the plantain porridge.
What is your name?
Tina, ma.
Sit down, let's bring you something. No, ma. No.
Somebody asked you, do you want something? Instead they even say, oh no, thank you. Until you kept your mouth like a funnel. No, Majesty. No.
All this for testing. It's okay. I understand.
Do you have a bank account?
Bank account?
Yes. Dollar.
So because you bought a land for my father, is that enough reason for you to abandon me and start calling other girls?
How much did you give to me when I was traveling?
30,000 naira.
I sent you to the market as a chef in this palace. You went out there and sent a maid?
This matter is between Her Royal Majesty and Her Royal Chef. Please, do not get involved.
I have told you severally that whenever you are leaving that palace, you should open the kitchen doors.
They will loot my palette.